So I'm here today in Grayson Highlands State Park, Southwest Virginia. It's a bit rainy, windy, so I don't know if you can hear me very well if there's a lot of wind. I'm hearing a little bit of thunder today as well, but well, looks like it's going to rain tomorrow too, so might as well do it now. But I'm going to go try to find some of these little wild ponies that live up here. So that might be kind of cool. So let's see what we see. Vegetation here is pretty cool. There's a lot of pines up here, which is pretty neat. A lot of birds up here as well. I haven't seen any of these little pony things. Maybe soon. Yeah, look at this little guy. Yeah? What you doing, little guy? Alright, later. That was weird. Kind of cool. Wasn't sure what that little guy was up to. Oh, hey, there's another one. Oh, we're gonna go back and forth with them. Come, let's go find them. Well, I spied two of them. I think two. Maybe more. Oh, yep, there's some more. Let's go say hi. Hopefully they don't kick us or anything like that. I don't think they're aggressive. We'll find out. Hopefully not. Looky there. What's this little guy doing? Hi, little guy. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them over here. Huh. Looky there. Another one. Another one. Some thunder too. These little mountain donks just munching on grass. Look at that one. Boop. Can't even really see. Got all that fur in your face. Silly critters. Alright, time to move on. So it started raining again. But in here in the trees it's not so bad. It's not raining too hard, fortunately, so hopefully it doesn't actually turn into a full-on thunderstorm. That would be bad. Got a raincoat. Alright, now, something to note. If you ever come here, you might be tempted to pet or feed the wild horses. Park Service doesn't want you to do that because they're wild. So, for your own safety, you know, they might nibble on you, try to give you a little kick or something like that, maybe. But also they want to keep them wild. You don't want to disturb their diet unless they eat grass. Maybe they only eat grass, I don't know. But yeah, so if you do come here, don't feed them, don't try to pet them. Kind of keep your distance. If they do come at you at an uncomfortable distance, back away slowly. Same thing with bears. There are bears out here. It'd be cool if I saw them, but I don't think I will. But anyway, onward. So here's also another fun little tidbit. So I'm standing in these woods while it's raining. But notice, you don't really see any water flowing, right? That's because the leaves pretty much slow down the raindrops. So they're not really able to gain enough energy to really flow, right? So that kind of helps prevent erosion, which is cool. Also, the roots help stabilize, you know, the soil so it doesn't go away. Now, what's interesting is that these rocks here, so stuff like that, that's not a very good view. But these are related to the stuff that we saw from Mount Rockets yesterday. Now these are sedimentary rocks. And when these were being laid down, vegetation hadn't taken hold on the planet yet. So that was some 700 million years ago. And in the Neoproterozoic, there really was very little, if any, vegetation. So the erosion rates were much higher than they are today, which is interesting, which also is why you see some of these very coarse sedimentary rocks from that time. So I didn't walk but like maybe 50 feet, and it really started to come down. You can hear it now. So I came back in the woods for now. I'm gonna hang out here. It's a lot better than being out there. It's really coming down pretty hard, so I don't know how long this is gonna last. Hopefully not long, but well, the rain's let up a little bit, so I've moved on. But I also found evidence of pony fangs. And look, that's kind of neat. Wouldn't want to eat them. I don't really like mushrooms anyway. But it just looks kind of cool. Onward! This big gnarly old maple. I wonder how old this thing is. Cool. Looks like this rain is not letting up. So I think I'm gonna head back. I won't forecast for this today. I was hoping it would clear it up by about now, but it doesn't seem to be, so I'm just gonna head back. Oh well. Well, let's go see what the little horses think. Hi guys. What do y'all think of the rain, huh? Not a fan? Yeah, neither am I. Later. Yeah, I didn't think they were either. And it's only getting worse. And my pants are soaked and I'm wearing jeans. Yay. Well, I made it back. As you can see, I got that wet. And look, it stopped raining. Pretty much right about the time I got back to the car, it stopped raining. My pants are completely soaked. It was a long drive back. But we did find the horses, so it's not a complete bust, but too bad the weather blows. But it's not like I could just do this tomorrow because it's pretty much the same forecast, so wonderful. But oh well, it was kind of neat to see anyway, so oh well. Bye.